निर्वाचित हुई हूँ, सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाली हूँ उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। जय हिंद।
Priyanka Gandhi Vadra taking oath as the Lok Sabha Member of Parliament, and that's the leaders of the Congress Party acknowledging and appreciating. Remember, this is finally a decision that she had taken at about 52 years of age, winning the Wayanad Lok Sabha by-election with a commanding margin, over 4 lakh votes, more than Rahul Gandhi. So this is as a protocol now, a procedure that she's going to conclude in just a short while. Some papers that have to be filed, oath has been taken, and a signature there. And if you look closely, the attire that she's chosen for this big historic moment for her is a Kasavu sari from Kerala, a traditional Malayali culture being represented,
Maharashtra,
and because she's one from Wayanad. So as the session begins, perhaps the photo opportunities, the light-hearted moments, all of that and more between the family concludes. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra doing her namastes to all the Congress leaders who've been seated there. It'll be interesting to see where does Priyanka Gandhi Vadra eventually take her seat to. Will it be right next to the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, or will there be a certain seat-sharing arrangement? That's her when she was entering into the premises. Let's listen in to her first precise statement that she gave.
सर वहां तो नहीं चलेगा उस शार्दुल्ले पे? सर वहां तो नहीं चलेगा उस शार्दुल्ले पे?
Rahul Gandhi, but accompanying the sister and the mother. That's behind Rahul Gandhi was Pramod Tiwari, the Congress Member of Parliament and senior leader. That's Sonia Gandhi with the daughter. A different moment here. Remember that Priyanka Gandhi is not in the audience, in the galleries. She's not campaigning for either the mother or the brother. She's here as a Member of Parliament. All smiles, interacting, but also ensuring that her mother is safely escorted inside.
Any comment on Priyanka ji's first day?
I'm very happy.
Any comment on Priyanka ji's first day?
I'm very happy.
सर वहां तो नहीं चलेगा उस शार्दुल्ले पे?
So, Congress Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, and Wayanad Member of Parliament Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. So, one for the books for the Gandhi family, and now the big test begins. Joining me now on the ground, Mausami Singh is in the that she's tracking from the reactions coming in. Let's listen in again. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, now a Lok Sabha MP.
Gandhi Vadra, जो लोक सभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूँ, सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाली हूँ उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। जय हिंद।
With a Jai Hind to her oath. Gaurav Gogoi there stands up to namaste and helping understand where possibly the seat sharing is. It looks like it could be right next to Rahul Gandhi, then finishing the protocol, the papers that have to be submitted. Attention to details. Immediately after this speech, turned around to acknowledge the Lok Sabha Speaker as well, Om Birla. So there is... Let's listen in again to the speech.
जो लोक सभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूँ, सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाली हूँ उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। जय हिंद।